ready to have some fun? Today we're going to draw a dinosaur. Let's start. Doesn't he have a big head? The circles can be his scales. That looks like a nice dinosaur. Shall we color him in now? Let's start with red, my favorite color. Which is your favorite color? Now, orange. And then yellow. Make sure you keep the color within the black lines. Shall we move to green? Then blue. Lovely! Purple for the legs. The dinosaur is ready to run!
Hey kids, guess what? Today we're going to be colouring and drawing a Pop It unicorn! Woohoo! Start with the outline. And if you need to, you can pause the video and do one bit at a time. There we go! Let's do some stripes, horizontal going across from side to side, left to right. And now we're doing the poppers. So lots of circles in between each line. Brilliant! If you want, you could trace around a small circular object. That would make it easier. Brilliant! I wonder how many circles we will need to do all the poppers. Can you count them? Darkening up the border. That will make the colours stand out once we paint or colour it in. Did you manage to count how many poppers there were? How many circles? There are 28 circles! Well done! Great counting! So we've started with red. We're using a gorgeous glittery paint and a small tipped paintbrush. So we've gone for orange. Doing the circles first. Or you could just paint over the whole lot if you want it to be the same colour. Or why not use two different shades? One for the circles and one for the parts around the circles. Brilliant! Let's go for yellow. We're fading out here. Red to gold to yellow. Getting paler as we go. Lovely. What colour should we do next? Do you have a favourite colour? You can choose all your own favourite colours. You don't have to do the same as this. We're going to keep it yellow for the next one too. 2 layers of yellow, just like 2 layers of red. Green for the next part. That's right, because this is the neck of the unicorn going into the body. Lovely bright green that is. Blue. Very nice. You see how the colours are fading into one another? It's just like a rainbow. And What colour shall we do the last layer? Purple, what a great choice! Purple is my favourite colour. What's yours? This unicorn's looking amazing, don't you think? And we're done! Woohoo! There you have it, get poppin'! It's a Pop It Unicorn disco!
Hello kids! Today we're going to learn how to draw a pineapple. Let's start with the head of the pineapple. It has spiky leaves. And now the main part of the pineapple. The little circles are like spikes, up and down, all over the pineapple. Now let's color the pineapple. Should we start with the spiky head? Yes! Let's color it green. Now moving down. I like red. Let's color the top line red. Shiny orange next. Neat and tidy. One circle at a time. Yellow! Bright, just like the sun. One line to match the spike with green. Down to blue, pretty blue. Then we come to purple. What a beautiful pineapple! Colorful as a rainbow.
Hi kids, look at this gorgeous rainbow heart. Do you fancy having a go at drawing and painting it? Oh, you do? We'll start with the baby one in the middle and then we just do bigger ones around the outside, getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And one more. There, ready to darken the border. We like a nice, bold, thick black colour because it really makes the colour stand out. Ready to paint? Start with red for the outside. You can use any colours you like, of course. Even different shades of the same colour would look fantastic. Perhaps you could start with the darkest on the outside and get lighter as you go into the middle. We're going to go for a lovely gold orange colour next. There, just following the shape around, staying in between the black lines. Let's go for yellow now. You see how we're getting lighter? Maybe we should change the pattern now. What do you think? Yeah, let's go for green. Green and yellow, those lovely citrusy colours. Followed by blue. And last but not least, purple for our baby heart in the middle. There! It's perfect, don't you think? I just love it. What a gorgeous, vibrant, sparkly rainbow heart. Hey kids, how are you today? Ooh, do you like teddies? Me too. Let's draw. A little tuft of hair in the face. Let's not forget our teddy bear ears and eyes, nose and mouth. Now we're going to draw our teddy bear sitting down. So we're starting with the front legs and paws, and then we're going to do one on either side, showing the bottom of each paw. Great job. Brilliant. Right, let's darken the border. We love to do this because it makes the colours stand out once you paint it. Right, we are going for pink first of all to do the inner ears. Ah, so cute. And the pads on the paws, because it's a baby bear. Yellow net for the snout, carefully painting around the tongue and the nose. Brilliant. And the tummy. Now we're going for black. We're going to do a black nose and a red tongue. Can you stick out your tongue? Right, we're going to do brown for the rest of the bear because it is a baby brown bear. Yes, so using that horizontal stroke, we're going to go from side to side. Carefully around the other features. Great! Now we go for the body. Have you ever seen a real bear? Do you have a teddy bear in your room? Maybe a nice cuddly one? Perhaps it's not brown, perhaps it's some other colour. I have a rainbow teddy. I love it. It's got all the colours of the rainbow. Now what do you name your teddy? Can you think of any good names for this teddy bear? How about Rosie? And there you have it. It is done. Good job, kids. You've drawn a teddy bear.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!